AMD can ride the AI market. Now, this is very important for the investors to know that NVIDIA is not the only game changer in the AI market. Also, there is another name called AMD. They are literally like the brothers in the stock market or in the AI market. Let's just tell in that way. So, there are also other stocks, other companies who are really focused on AI. The first one is Apple, of course, which came with a big iPhone 16 and trying to really impress, but let's see how that goes. But that's way too different than what NVIDIA and AMD are absolutely doing. And the second one comes is Meta. Meta stock price, of course, hits up as the Facebook parent ramps AI spending because Facebook, that is Meta, the parent company, they are increasing their spending on AI because they believe in the future of AI. Mark Zuckerberg, he believes in the future of AI and he knows what's the potential, what's the outcome because he's already seeing the results. But last but not least, this BlackRock, as everyone knows BlackRock, and if you don't know BlackRock, who the hell BlackRock is, just Google it, BlackRock, and you will realize what am I talking about. So BlackRock is also increasing its AI spending, and also it's in partnership with Microsoft. So that's something really big. So of course, BlackRock being the biggest hedge fund or institution in the world, it's going with the big master called Microsoft. So it's trying to make really massive changes. So now let's see, can AMD really ride the AI market or not? So is this stock is really fit to invest for the long term or even for the nice swing trades or not? We will analyze this. So first of all, AMD's off of a remarkable start that could be a tougher to crave a bigger niche between NVIDIA. 80 to 85% shares, cloud, incumbency, 15 years plus software developer led one extreme and roughly 10% of the share, 10% market share, presence of cost optimized custom application specific integrated circuits, ASICs, from Broadcom, AVGO, of course everyone knows this stock, and MRVL, that's a ticker symbol, you can just Google it out. And on the other extreme, Bank of America said B of A, that is Bank of America. So if, however, AMD is able to show a path to 10% AI share by calendar 2026, company would conceptually add around $5 billion on top of $12.6 billion in sales, with scenario EPS of around $8 to $9 compared with the consequences at 7.37, the investment firm said. So in this comment right here, you understand very clear that AMD is on a very solid path. Means it got a very good start in this year. Of course, now it's on a very good solid path. Now, Bank of America and also Wells Fargo, they are very bullish on this company, AMD, because they are also increasing their AI spending, especially, of course, because they are the manufacturers of the chip. When it comes to chip, we got only two names, the famous, that is NVIDIA first, the king, and the second comes, maybe let's call as a queen, that is AMD. So let's go to this. AMD CEO AI arc over next 5 years. So she says that I think you have to look at this technology arc for AI over next 5 years and how does it fundamentally change everything that we do. So she said that's the CEO of AMD, and I really believe that AI has potential. When she took over AMD's top executive, Sue said a major piece of company's strategy was to become a high-performance computing leader. So she is also very bullish. Of course, she gotta be bullish because she's the one who runs the company and she gotta be bullish. And now she is not in doubt. She has no false plan or really plan B that if nothing works out that she's going to switch to the plan B. No, she's very straight that she knows what she wants from this company and where this company is going in the next 5 years. That's the reason Bank of America and also Wells Fargo, they are very bullish on this company. And is this stock price really fair enough to invest or not is just right under $180, and I think so it will be a better chance for us to grab many shares as possible for the long term, because this company will skyrocket much faster. I think this company will 3x, means it multiplies into 3 times probably in coming 2 years. So that will be a lot of money if you kind of like leverage and buy the shares. So let's say what Wells Fargo says about this company. Here we go. Last month, Wells Fargo affirmed an overweight rating on AMD with 205 price target after the company said Oracle Cloud Infrastructure would be deploying the MI300X GPU to power its newest Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Compute supercluster instance. So the investment firm said, that's Wells Fargo, the news was an incremental positive. AMD's news release specifically highlights the MI300X GPUs as well positioned for interference capabilities, a theme the company will emphasize at its October 10th event. So this was all said by Wells Fargo. They are absolutely positive about this company. That's the reason they are giving the price target for above $200. Of course, when on the 10th of October, when the event will happen, so what's the outcome that this company might get? Of course, the price target will go higher and people will regret that they didn't buy on a cheaper price, because there are higher chances that this company, this stock price especially, might add plus $10. That would be probably 5 to 8% on one single day. And of course, it will just keep rolling on the upper side. Do not forget that if you are searching for a better or a good AI investment, I mean, especially in stocks, so AMD can be your choice. Don't just run behind NVDA or Apple, or because there are also other companies. See the opportunities and see where the stock price you're getting cheaper so you can invest and get the maximum amount of returns. And on this channel, we purely focus for you folks to make a lot of money, not only just to invest in some trash companies or some top blue chip companies and just make money. No, we're trying to find the opportunities for everyone here so everyone can invest, make a lot of money, and really be happy. So we don't want anything from you. But also, guys, remember, read about the market, that how the market is doing. Like if the market is really trash, if the wars or something crazy going on around the world and the inflation is just going higher, be careful not to throw all your money in one company. So have patience a little bit. As the situations will get better, then you start investing in these kind of companies. But keep a cash reserve and keep the click button, that button, ready to buy when the opportunity comes. Just grab the shares so you don't lose the opportunity. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you want to trade with us, the link is down in the description. You can come and trade with us. We day trade, swing trade, and even go for the long term. We have every single thing. You can come and enjoy the thing. We don't want anything from you. The link is down in the description. You can try it out. Believe me, you're going to love it. Thank you so much. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. See you in the next video.